Running the trap, hope you got what it takes. ROA. You ain't ready, steady. Stay blunted high. I see you, tie boy, with your tie on. Word is born, son. Don't worry, I like you. Watching my moves, ain't got nothing to lose. Look at you, you're thin as a noodle. My screws loose. What are those new shoes? Yeah, I got another pair too. Hate to be the bearer of bad news. Dressed for your own funeral. I see where this is going. Must be crazy or something. All this for nothing. Stop fronting something before I dump it. Women fronting the big tops and big bottoms. Somebody else wants those. Take my daily dose of medicine again and then again. People pretending to be my friends, but they're not. Enemies and ops, beware. See and hear things that aren't there. Sometimes I sit and stare. My life is a nightmare at the beginning of a new start. Keep loving my heart for those who use their minds when it comes to living their life of crime. Every day's a struggle, but we're going to be fine.